use. So let's carry on the example. Let's go for an even lesser competitive keyword. Let's go down towards the bottom. Let's go for work from home business. Oh no, sorry, work at home businesses. So if we choose the term work at home businesses, that's getting 780 searches per day. It's not very competitive at the moment, so let's use that. Work at home businesses. So what we're going to do is create another ad group, and that will send us into setting up another ad for our keyword. So it was work from home businesses. Oh, sorry, work at home businesses. So work at home businesses and continue. That's what we've named the ad group. And let's see if we can squeeze that full keyword phrase into the title. Work at home businesses. Yeah, we can. So back to Google to show you. Work at home businesses. Let's see. Yeah, see, there's one out of all of these ads that's showing, just one person has put the full keyword that has been typed in, work at home businesses, in their header. Okay, so excuse the phone there. So we should be able to squeeze our way in and stand out amongst these other ads. So, you know, experiment with the body of the ad as well. And I'll talk about split testing in a minute, because you're going to want to be running two ads at the same time, where one ad will be shown 50% of the time, the other ad will be shown the other 50%, and then you can test to see which ad is performing better, and you just keep removing the lesser performing ad, and you constantly try to beat the better performing ad. But I'll talk about that in a moment. So let's write a slightly different. Sorry about the phone. Okay, let's write a slightly different ad for this one. So work at home businesses. Let's put, are there any good work at home businesses? You know, just very short, very to the point. And it's always good, you know, a good tip is to ask a question in the body of your ad, because that grabs people's attention as well. But it's all about experimenting and seeing what type of ad it will work for the keyword that you're targeting. So there we are. Work at home businesses. Are there any good work at home businesses out there? Well, let's put out there. Hit continue. So again, we type our keyword phrase into this box. Work at home businesses. Hit continue. Again, we choose the maximum bid. Let's go for 75 cents for this one. And continue. So there we are, we've created our second ad. Now let's save that ad group, and I'll just talk about split testing. So let's go back to business at home. Okay, so when we're on this page, we just go down below here, or it says create an ad variation. It says create an ad variation to test different messages. Okay, so we always want 2 ads running for the same keyword phrase at the same time, so that we can constantly try and improve our ads and get our conversion rates going higher and higher and higher. So by split testing, we can constantly try to outperform. So we just want to make some change to this ad. So let's keep the header as it is, business at home, and let's change it to maybe how good or what kind of lifestyle can you live with business from home? Okay, so that's just a variation. So what we'd be doing, we'd be testing this ad against the first ad that was written. Okay, and then we'll give it a few days. Once we've had a decent number of clicks and we can tell which ad is performing better, we will just delete the lesser performing ad, and then we will try and constantly to beat the better performing ad. So over time, our ads are going to get better and better and better, and that means our conversion rates are going to get higher and higher and higher, and that means that our costing is going to come down. Okay, so there you go. I mean, it's all about just testing, experimenting, and keeping a daily check on the activity, because you don't want to be wasting any money. Any keywords that are getting less than a 1% click-through rate, I would really look at and possibly delete. And just experiment. You know, like I've said, I've used the keyword phrase home business for this example, but get creative. You know, that's why it's very, very essential that you have keyword research tools like AdWord Analyzer. So you could type in, you know, make money, and do a search on make money, see what phrases come up, and start a whole new ad campaign around the term make money. So, you know, straight away it's brought up the term make money online. That's fairly competitive, but you could try that one. And that's going to run through a list of all variations of make money. So it really is endless, the different phrases that you can use, and over time you're going to get a really streamlined situation of which keywords are really performing well, and you would have just deleted the lesser performing ads so that you are in profit and you're making money from all the keywords that you're advertising with. So there you go. I mean, don't be scared of Google AdWords. It's going to take a little while to get comfortable with it, and you feel comfortable using it. But no other form of internet marketing is as quick to generate traffic for you than Google AdWords. Like I said, within 5-10 minutes of setting up an ad, you can have traffic coming to your webpage, coming to your business opportunity, coming to your affiliate program, whatever it is that you're offering. And that is powerful. But just be sensible. Set yourself a limit of around $20 to start with per day of how much you're spending on advertising, and then once you find out which ads are really performing, then you can crank that up to whichever amount you want. You know, if you're going to be spending $100 on advertising and getting $500 back, then obviously you increase that to as much as you possibly can. So it's just all about experimenting, testing, and keeping an eye on what's working and what isn't, and getting rid of what isn't working. So I hope this has been useful for you. Like I said, don't be scared of Google AdWords. Get stuck in. Just set yourself a limit, and experiment and see what happens, and see what keywords will work for you. So this is the end of the Google AdWords training. I hope this has been useful for you. Like I say, just get stuck into Google AdWords and watch how much traffic you can generate from Google. So I will see you on the next set of training videos. Okay, bye bye.